Hey, what's up everyone? My name is MAXIMUS ARANHA and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've seen my previous skincare videos, you must have come to know by now that these skincare routines are very difficult to execute and are pretty complicated. But don't you sweat it. Tiege Hanley has got you covered. It's an amazing skincare brand which was initially started by Alpha M and a few of his friends. His main objective was to make skincare uncomplicated for men by providing them best results with minimum effort. And which of course, he didn't fail in doing so. Let's now take a brief look at their skincare products. It comes with a handsome yet simplistic box with a daily wash, a scrub, an AM moisturizer, a PM moisturizer, a super serum, an eye cream, and a super masculine card showing the proper application of these products, which indeed makes it even more uncomplicated. After seeing these products, you must be wondering if it would burn a hole in your pocket. But as soon as you see their price tag, you would be amazed. After all, they are super affordable and it would become even more cheaper if you use my promo code and get 20% off. Promo code is linked in the description along with the website. Do check it out. Now, moving on to the face wash. This face wash is super creamy and it doesn't have that scary white foaming effect which most face washes do, which indicates that this product contains safe ingredients and yes, is gentle on the skin. After which we'll apply a layer of face scrub to exfoliate my skin. There were a few complaints of a burning sensation after applying the scrub on the face, but don't you fret it, it's just a cooling menthol effect indicating that the scrub is working its magic. Next up, we'll apply a pump of super serum and allow it to dry. Man, these products have an incredible scent, which is super masculine. Now we'll apply eye cream to keep the area below our eyes in check. Lastly, we'll apply a PM moisturizer because it's 9 PM now. If it's morning for you, then apply an AM moisturizer by Tiege Hanley, which has a SPF 20 to protect you from those nasty UV rays. If you're going out in the sun, you may need to apply an additional sunscreen to protect your skin from those nasty UV rays. The one which I use is from Vow, which has SPF 50 in it. You can check it out in the description down below. My experience with Tiege Hanley so far has been pretty amazing. It's super easy to use and gives shocking results over time. You can get 20% off of your first system at Tiege Hanley by using my promo code, which is linked down in the description. Hit the link and check it out. Tiege Hanley has 3 systems, namely level 1 if you're a beginner, level 2 if you're getting consistent at your skincare routine, level 3 if you're a pro at skincare. Another good thing about Tiege Hanley is that it sends a box every month at your doorstep to replenish your stock. Now's your only chance to get skin people would dream of. Hit the link down in the description and level up your skincare game. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is at @Maximus_Arana, for some good fashion and outfit inspiration. If you dug today's video, don't forget to hit that like button and smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to be notified every single time I drop a new video. That wraps up today's video. Thanks for watching. Peace.